So we're walking down East 19th Street. This is the street that we used to stay at one time. Lovely nostalgia walk. These cherry blossom trees are amazing. All over New York right now. I remember all of this. Most of it, not all.
I remember the old lady used to live here.
Old lady used to live here, na?
No, not here. The aage wala.
Acha, it's the aage wala, huh? Used to help her to cross.
She was on the bench every day. So every day I was passing by her to go to college or whatever. And she need to go back inside the house. So I help her go back to her house every day.
That's sweet.
Sometimes somebody else would already help her, sometimes I would have to help her. But she was so sweet. She was living by herself, literally.
The story of many a life here. So this is where we used to stay.
She couldn't hear anything.
Oh.
So she's just like, I should be like, we don't want to go inside, and she's like,
so sweet.
This is the house.
This house, acha. She stayed here. Okay. So we are approaching our old home. Your college home, correct?
Not this, that one.
I know. Not this one. This one, na? This?
Yes, this is it.
Oh my god, yes! This is where we stayed. Oh, Ari, remember?
I climbed this up because I didn't have any
keys. You keys climbed these. This fire escape, huh?
Unknown.
Okay, that's your
That was my
window.
Yeah.
One bedroom, another bedroom. Yeah. This White House. Okay.
One time I was working in college, I dropped my wallet after the exit door. So one night here, my neighbor found it and called my college, contacted me, traced me, gave my wallet back, and I was still the sweetest people ever. They invited me to dinner and everything.
After finding a wallet and giving back
I was
sauce.
dropping a wallet though.
Okay. So this was the street. Memories.
Bye home.
Bye, old home. And that flower shop is shut down.
How you doing? This scooter still here? Huh? Still here.
This scooter has been here since 3 years now. And this is gracefully our favorite shopping store for groceries. And we've come all the way here today walking because there's a special brioche bread which we used to buy from here, and I have been dying to have that bread again. So come guys. So I'm going to shop again at Gracefully for that brioche bread. Wish me luck that I find it. It's so premium that usually it's over by the time we reach. Please, 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 please let the bread be here. Is it? Ayush, I think the bread is over. Oh my god. No, it's not here.
We find it.
Okay. Where is it? Not here.
Relax, mother.
It usually used to be here. Shucks. Oh, here maybe. We've come all the way across from West New York to eastern part.
What did you ask? Raisin bread.
No, the brioche bread, French brioche.
Hey mom, this is it.
No.
Yes, French cinnamon bun raisin brioche.
This is a different one, but we'll take it. It's a different one, we will take it. Yes! Thank you! At least it's something.
It's also very good, I've tried it.